action. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. It is crazy loud out here, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy the Auctioneer. Let's take a look and give you a rundown over here, all right?
We have the bid at 12. We have a bidder out of Fairfax, Virginia. $12,000 to 12.5. Anything else? This one here, final call. I'd like to come in and have a good now. Offer $12,000. That is an if sale at $12,000. Bidder number is 7005. $12,000, 7005. It is an if sale.
All right, now we're going to move to lot number 108. 108 coming at you. How about the final gear of the Cadillac Avante? So 1893, of course, Italian design, built by Tina Farina. Owned gear for a 295 horsepower North Star was 1993. So great opportunity here. Title and transit.
It's sure
91,000 miles.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Better get now. 91,000 miles. A man said, here we go. 10. Who get 15? I get 10. Somebody get $15,000 bid. 12.5 bid. Somebody get 15 now. I get $15 bid. Now 17.5. I get 15's a bid. Thank you, sir. $15,000 bid. Now $17,500 bid. 16. We're at $15,000 bid. Who gives $16,000? That little red Cadillac. Boy, she's a pretty thing. I get $15,000 bid. Now, baby, down to go there. Now 15, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. All that red paint just jumps off that car first. We're at 15,000 bid. 16 now. Who gives 15.5? I get somebody get $500 somebody get $500 bid. Now 5. Somebody get $500 now. $15,500. Who did? I get 15. Somebody get 16. I get 16. I get $15,000 bid. Now somebody get $16,000 red Cadillac car. Boast 91,000 true miles driving away. I get 15.5. Anybody else? I get $500 bid. I get $16. Anybody else? I get $16,000 bid. Now to go there. Was it at 15.5 on that one there? Thank y'all. Thank you. Gary Danner.
All right, we're going to keep on going here, folks, and we're going to go to lot number 109. Let's keep it in the Cadillac family from an 03 to a 1990 or 2005. How about that? A 93 to a 2005. It's a 4.9 liter V8 XLR convertible. Automatic
Right up my alley.
Power retractable hardtop. These are so fun. It's a salvage title brand.
Uh-oh. Don't like salvage titles.
In the mag office, and title is in transit. Will be earned.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another striking good color. Here we go. I am going to get the hammer now. Crack it. We're at $15,000 bid. I got 15, 17.5. I got $15 bid now. But I'm now. Everybody jump ready. And I got $15,000 now. I got 15, $17,500, $15,000 now. It's the XLR. She's an 05 Cadillac car. How about you? I got $15,000 bid.
Ooh, this is nice.
You get 6, 7, 8. We got 15,000.
This is nice.
Eric, I don't got your bid. 16, thank you. 17,000 now. Thank you. I got 16 your bid. Jump right in. We're having a good auction sale. Boy, when I get started, we're at 16,000 bid. Somebody bid, you better get 17 today. I got $16,000 bidder now, but I'm bid. Who's going to bid to 17? Well, right, Minnesota, we have your bid. You're sitting at 16,000. We're asking 17 now. Who gets 16.5? I got $500. Get on the side. Anybody else, folks? We're making the offer. We're giving you a chance to buy this car. Seems like a bargain to me. I wouldn't hesitate if I was you. We're a $16,000 bid. I have $500 final call. Final chance on anybody get $16,500. I got anybody get $5 now. Offers $16,000. We're going to get bidder online, and they're offering $16,000. Bidder number 7125. We'll recognize that as an if sale at $16,000. Bidder number 7125. Mr. Naylor, you ready to fire up there, young fella? If so, here you go.
Here comes Gary. Thank you very much. Let's go to lot number 112 now. And a 2008 Hummer. It's the H2 SUV. I love you, Phil. Very rare 2008 model. I tell you what, he's always there for you, man. 6.2 V8, automatic 6-speed, tastefully upgraded with matte black wrap.
Well, you gotta believe it, ladies. You gotta come to 100. All right, he's gonna put the money down. What about to give on here? Set about the money. It's an 08 model. You have somebody give 25. Where? 25. I've got 10,000 bid on this one. At 15,000. 12.5. 15. 15. 17. 20 grand. At 20,000.
That is a wrap.
20,000. At
All right, guys, it's T with Arizona Riders Club, having a blast out here. Had a couple cars go for 20,000, 18, 15. Even had a fairly new Mercedes go for 5,500. You know, I never really thought that you could get an affordable car out here because some of the cars are so pristine. You have a lot of classics, you have a lot of customs, you have a lot of cars that are very, very expensive. But you know what? You have some regular cars out here too, man. So don't overlook these auctions that are out here. You might find yourself a deal. But they're about to get started on this Maserati, so I gotta go. Ride with us.